Hello, Alicia. In today's video, I want to share how I set up an activity learning board for my son. I will also link one down in the description from when he was a toddler. It was a video I posted on my old channel, and that one was more repetitive, learning about colors and shapes and letters and numbers. This one is just daily things and subjects that we are learning about. So the actual board is a trifold board from Dollarama, and then the border around it came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have a pocket chart in the center, which is just clipped on with some clothespins. And the pocket chart has different words. So right now we're doing a unit about snow. So I have these. I just found this on Teachers Pay Teachers. It was like a free little word strips. So I colored them in with permanent marker. So these will be words that we're going over, just winter related words. And then this is the calendar page that I have. And this one is the Banff National Park in Alberta, Canada. So I thought it would be cool to use this picture as like, talk about the picture. What do you see in the picture? What's, what are the landforms like? And talk about it that way. And then afterwards, he can glue it into his scrapbook. And then I printed off some information off of Wikipedia. So I just used one of those page protectors. And I just used Velcro dots to stick it down. So I could change it out anytime for any subject. And so from Wikipedia, I just pulled some information. So this is some weather facts about Banff National Park. And down here is some of the wildlife information. So I thought we could talk about the animals that live there, and maybe he can decorate a little page dedicated to animals, and then he could write down some of these weather facts. So that's how we'll be using this type of board. And over here, I just, wanted to put a piece of artwork that was related to our unit study as well. So this nice old card that had a nice winter scene and the cardinal on there. And again, we can talk about the card and use it as a language activity, what you see in the picture and stuff like that. And then down here, I have one of these. This is actually one of those little magnet picture things that you can put on like your fridge or something that came from Dollarama. And I decided to just Velcro it again on here. And I have the little sheet for today that came from that little history calendar from Dollarama. And this is for the fact for this day, so we could talk about that. And then I have this little number, and then the month is just a sticker. And then I have the little days that I just wrote out that I can change every day. But yeah, I thought, this would be great to go over the days of the week and, learn a cool fact. And on this day in particular, it's the Orthodox Christmas Day, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share this with you all. And like I said, I will link the one that I did from when he was a toddler down in the description. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care, and bye for now.